In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize TradingView, a popular platform for tracking and analyzing financial markets. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your trading strategy, TradingView is a powerful tool that can help you stay informed and make data-driven decisions. To begin, open your web browser and go to the TradingView website. This platform offers a wide array of tools for tracking markets across various regions and asset classes, making it an essential resource for traders globally. Once you've landed on the home page, you'll want to locate the search icon, which should be prominently displayed. Clicking on this icon expands a search bar that allows you to look up symbols, ticker names, or learn about specific instruments you might be interested in. Once your search results are displayed, click on All. This will ensure that you're viewing comprehensive data, spanning all categories such as stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies, among others. From the list of results, locate and click on Bitcoin, US dollar. This will take you directly to a detailed chart of the Bitcoin to USD trading pair. Next, you'll want to set the time frame for your chart view. TradingView offers various options like 1 hour, 1 day, and 1 week, among others. Choosing your time frame depends on your specific analytical needs. For short-term trading insights, smaller time frames may be beneficial, while longer time frames can help with analyzing trends. On the chart interface, look for the More menu option. Clicking on this will provide you access to additional parameters that you can adjust to customize your view further. As you delve deeper into your analysis, it can be helpful to add technical indicators or strategies to your chart. Click on the option labeled Add Indicator Strategy on BTCUSD. Here, you'll find a broad catalog of tools ranging from basic moving averages to more complex algorithms. For today's tutorial, we'll focus on incorporating the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, which is a commonly used momentum indicator. To do this, click on Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies, then search for and select the RSI from the list. Adding the RSI to your chart allows you to monitor potential overbought or oversold conditions, providing insight into possible price reversals or continuations. To refine your trading skills without the risk of financial loss, give TradingView's paper trading mode a try. It's a simulated trading environment that allows you to practice with virtual funds. First, click on Connect and follow any on-screen prompts until you've set up your virtual trading account. Once connected, locate and click on Got It to acknowledge any messages and finish by selecting paper trading from the available options. There you have it. You've successfully navigated TradingView and set up your chart for practical use. Remember, practice and patience are key to becoming proficient in trading. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.